to embed this form on our website or our landing pages, or how to embed this form inside of whatever I want to embed it on. So if you have landing pages outside of ConvertKit, but you want to also be able to collect data from that landing page into ConvertKit, you can embed this particular form on your website. You can embed it on your landing pages, wherever it is you want to embed this, you can do that. Okay, we also have the place where you can be able to copy the JavaScript code. You can also copy the HTML code, which is going to paste this form on your website directly. We also have the share button where you can be able to copy this and you can be able to share this link with everybody, maybe through the email campaign or through buttons on your website. We also have WordPress where you can be able to download the WordPress plugin and you can connect this ConvertKit form on your WordPress website. You also have the Unbounce place where you can be able to add this to your Unbounce landing page. You can be able to copy this webhook and add it inside of your Unbounce landing page. So let's use the HTML and let's see how this is going to look like on our website. So as we all know, or as most of us know, I use those sites, and it is the same way you are going to be using. It is the same way you are going to set this up when you are using Wix, or you are using WordPress, or you are using Squarespace, or whatever website builder you are using. Okay, so as we all know, or as most of us know, I use those sites, and like I said, it's the same way you are going to do for Wix or Squarespace or whatever website builder you are using. So you are going to come into the particular back end of your website builder, and you're going to look for the particular page you want to embed that form into. So we want to embed this on this particular page, which is the home page in here. So I'm just going to click on edit content, and when I click on edit content, remember that I need to copy that code first from my ConvertKit account before I can be able to paste it in here. So when I click on embed, I need to copy this HTML code, and when I click on copy here, it has copied all of that code, and I can then come back into my website builder. And when I come into my website builder for this particular page, I can then add in an element. So now you want to make sure that you add in the particular element that is fitting for your own website. Is it that you are using a JavaScript code which is already in ConvertKit, or you are using the HTML code? So we want to use the HTML code. We are just going to drag and drop this element in here, which is called the code snippet, and I'm just going to drag it and drop it in here. Zoosite allows me to be able to create a new snippet where I can be able to add a particular code inside. So I'm just going to create a blank page, which I'm going to name ConvertKit. So remember that the process here can be different from yours, especially if you are using Wix. You just need to drag in the elements and you can be able to post the code inside the element edit part, where you can be able to paste the code inside that part. If you are using WordPress, you also need to drag and drop in your editor place and just drag the code place, where you can just be able to type in the code, paste the code inside the editor. So those sites is quite different from the native one, and that is because you need to create a snippet first where you need to drag and drop the code. Okay, so now I've pasted in the code here, and I'm going to click on OK. And when I click on OK, that should save my code snippet. And when I click on publish, I should be able to see this particular form on my page. So let's wait for this to publish. And as you can see, that has been published, and when I go back into that site, I should be able to see my form on this website. So here is my form on my page, and as you can see, this form has been added in here. So that is how to embed your form on your website. It is not hard at all. Like I said, you just need to go inside of your website and you need to add in this particular code in here. You just need to add in the particular code to the particular page you want to add that on your website. So for instance, if it is a contact form, you can add that contact form on your website, and you can add it to the particular pages you want to add that form to. So you can use the contact page, you can use the about us page, you can use whatever page it is on your website, and just copy and paste the code inside of your website. So when you copy and paste the code, make sure you publish your page, because if you do not publish your website, it is not going to show up on your website. So when you publish this, you make sure that it is published, and you can be able to see that particular form on your website. So to change anything, I will advise that if you do not know how to edit the code, you have to come back to your form inside of ConvertKit, and you have to make sure that you insert whatever edits you want to make inside of your ConvertKit instead of editing this code. So that is how to create a form and embed a form on our website. Make sure you click on save and publish again if you have added in any other um adjustments. So we can also change the name of this form. We can also add in contact form, and when people start filling our website, our form on our website, all of those details are going to be coming inside of ConvertKit. Okay, so now when you come to your website, and let's try to fill out this form so we can be able to collect these details inside of your ConvertKit account. So let's say this is Emma, and we are using, instead of using test, let's use Ferry. And my email address can be, let's say I want to use Emma. So let's say I want to use emmaira@gmail.com, and the company name can be CRM Instructors. And let's try to subscribe now. And when we try to subscribe now, we should see this contact inside of our ConvertKit account. So let's go back to ConvertKit and let's see if we can find that in here. So you try to refresh this page over here, and we should see the new contact. Okay, so if we fill out that form now, we should be able to see the total subscribers here. One subscriber should be added, but this is taking longer to fill. But we can also go back and just check reports. Just make sure that you check in the reports, and you can be able to see the subscribers that are coming from the particular websites that they are coming from. As you can see, we have one subscriber, but it's saying here that we do not have any subscribers. So just give it some time for it to like populate in. So when we go back to content and we try to look for that subscriber in our subscribers list, we should be able to see that particular subscriber. And this is it here, Emma Era. And as you can see, the details was added, the company name, the name, and the email address. So you can see that the last name was also added. And you can also see particular page that this particular contact came in from. So this is the page from my website, and you can also see the particular place they came from. You can see how they subscribe to you, and as you can see, it came from the contact us form in our website. So that is how to create a form and embed that form on your website, and make sure that that form is working on your website. So if you're already using ConvertKit but things are not working the way you expected it to work, maybe your automations are confusing, or your tags are very messy, or your sequences are very disconnected right now, or you're not just sure whether your current setup is structured properly for your business process, it is time to get extra support. At CRM Instructors, we help businesses with ConvertKit implementation, optimization, and even email marketing audits. So whether you need help setting up your ConvertKit account from scratch, fixing, or you need help with fixing an existing setup, or you want to improve your automations, or you want to review the current email marketing system, or you want to review your current email marketing systems for gaps and missed opportunities, we can help with this. Our audit process helps identify what is working, what needs improvement, and what changes can actually make your email marketing system more effective and more organized. So if you need hands-on implementation, we support with that too. If this sounds like something you need, you can find the links in the description below. And if this video has helped you, make sure you subscribe, because we have amazing tutorials like this and we do not want you to miss out. So subscribe to this channel, and also like this video, and also share with everyone who you think is going to need this video. And also we have a target of reaching 1,000 subscribers by the middle of this year, and you can actually make that happen for us. So subscribe to this channel, and also do not forget to turn on that notification bell. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.